Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to set up savings goals in Wealthfront. If you're new here, Wealthfront is an awesome robo-advisor platform that helps you automate your investments and savings, making it easier to reach your financial dreams without the hassle. Whether you're saving for a rainy day fund, a dream vacation, or that first home down payment, Wealthfront's tools can keep you on track. First off, why bother with savings goals? Well, life throws curveballs, and having clear targets can motivate you and help you build wealth smarter. Plus, Wealthfront uses smart algorithms to optimize your investments based on your goals. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Log into your Wealthfront account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. Look for the Goals section, usually front and center. Step 2. Click on Create a new goal. You'll be prompted to name your goal. Make it specific, like Emergency Fund or Vacation 2025. Next, enter the target amount. Be realistic but ambitious. For example, if you want to save $10,000, plug that in. Step 3. Set a timeline. Wealthfront will ask for a date by which you want to reach this goal. This helps them suggest the right investment strategy, whether it's conservative for short-term goals or more aggressive for long-term ones. Step 4. Link it to your account. Choose whether to fund it from your Wealthfront cash account or link an external one. You can set up automatic contributions, so money trickles in without you lifting a finger. Finally, monitor your progress. Wealthfront provides real-time updates, charts, and even adjustments if your goals change. Remember, the key to success is reviewing and tweaking as needed. There you have it. Setting up savings goals in Wealthfront is straightforward and empowers you to take control of your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's build that financial future together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.